Hello everyone. Today I will talk about my daily routine from morning to night. Every morning I wake up early. I usually wake up around 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is open my eyes and thank God for a new day. Then I get out of the bed, stretch my body a little. After that, I go to bathroom. I brush teeth carefully and wash my face with clean water. This helps me feel fresh and ready for day. After brushing my teeth, I sometimes drink water. Then I make my bed and clean my room a little. I like to keep my surrounding read and tidy. After that I go to kitchen and prepare breakfast. The story name Lost the Ball. Tom has a red ball. He plays with it in the park. Suddenly the ball goes under the tree. Tom looks for it. A dog finds the ball under it too. Tom is happy and thanks the dog. The dog is happy. They are play together. The boy is throw the ball. The dog is catch the ball. The story name is Little Rabbit. A small rabbit is hungry. It looks for food in the garden. The garden is find the food. The rabbit find a carrot. He eat carrot happily. The rabbit sleep under the tree. Rabbit felt happy, eat the carrot. They want to sleep under the tree. Tree is very